Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Ethereum on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it over to Bitrue for trading or staking in 2025, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's secure and straightforward. Why do this? Bitrue offers great features like low fees and earning opportunities, while your ledger keeps your crypto safe offline. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and a verified Bitrue account with a funded wallet. Double-check that your ledger is updated to the latest firmware. It's crucial for security in 2025. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN, then navigate to the Ethereum account in the app. You'll see your ETH balance there. Take a moment to verify it. Next, head over to the Bitrue website or app and log in. Go to your wallet section and select Ethereum. Generate a deposit address. This is where your ETH will go. Copy this address carefully. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Now, back in Ledger Live, select your Ethereum account and choose the Send option. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, Ethereum might be on Ethereum 2.0, so ensure it's set to the correct network. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen. Never trust your computer alone for this. Hit send, and wait for the confirmation. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on both Ledger Live and Bitrue to track the progress. Pro tip. Always use a small test transaction first if you're new to this, to avoid any issues. And remember, hardware wallets like Ledger are your best defense against hacks. There you have it. Your Ethereum is now on Bitrue. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.